creator, what's going on? Thank you for joining us. And anybody who's watching on YouTube, thank you for joining us. These are our weekly app tests, JFH app tests. You can, of course, join the Justice for Hire app from justiceforhire.app. So you can go there, be a part of the cinematic universe, help produce a show with us, be a character in the show and in the cinematic universe. It's some pretty wonderful stuff we're doing together as a community. So thank you, creator, for being here. We've got Andra here, our CTO. I'm Jan, and great things are happening. So I think Armored Knight is going to join us in a moment, and so is Sensei Claus. So without further ado, sending it off to Andra to take it away.
Hi. Hi, and yeah, as usual, I call this the session for hunting the nemesis, as Sensei Claus said last week. We have one of the last big use cases of the app, the handshake and the relationship management. That means allies and rivals. And before we get to it, we also have an announcement that you're going to see on the first page. And we also have some updates to the development call requests, the functionality that it is in the app. So as usual, all these tests are done first on justforheroes.app. And after they get validated by us together as a community, they go on justiceforhire.app. Every week, please create a new account with a prefix test and use that for the test at hand. So as I was saying, let's start with creating a new user on justforheroes.app. All these sessions are recorded and they go on YouTube. And if someone else joins later, we will just take the instructions once again and present them to them. So creator, I know you're there. I can see you. So first test is the announcement of the Hero Meetup 21. Hero Meetup.
Oh, we're doing just for heroes.app, right?
Yeah, refresh it. Until we deploy the auto install for our app, because a lot of people also ask if they can install it. Make sure that you close all the browser windows, and you go on justforheroes.app.
I normally do it in private, so this time I think.
Welcome, Armored Knight. Welcome to your first test session.
Do you know why that?
Yes, because until it gets the latest version, it gets what it's cached on your browser.
Okay.
So while it's up.
So in other words, it's just time. Someone has to be patient.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or solving it when I do the button.
Okay.
Or upgrade.
What's going on, Armored Knight? Good to see you. Thanks for joining us. So these are our weekly app test sessions. This is how we test new functionalities in the app. We've been doing this for a while. Andra's our CTO. I think you guys, Chief Technical Officer. I think you guys have messaged before on Instagram. I think, I'm not sure.
So thank you so much
for joining us. Creator here as well. Sensei Claus should be joining in a bit. And we are right at justforheroes.app. That's our testing environment. So rather than going to justforhire.app, just for heroes, FOR heroes.app, and that's where you'll find the test environment. And you want us to create a new user.
Yeah, and every week you create a new user and you use the prefix test, so it's easier
Exactly.
Hold
So
on.
you're going to create a new
Hold on.
role, choose a new role, whether it's client.
I'm
I'm
gonna
going to go with villain.
and
If
Real bad
if you can do
Client,
client
yeah.
or and
Armor
knife,
if
you
you
can
do
do hero, but
make
make sure the beginning of your name
has
has in
brackets
brackets
the word
the word
test.
test.
That's
That's how we differentiate and clean all of this so it doesn't show up on the public facing app
tonight or tomorrow.
tonight or tomorrow. So
thank you for being here.
Thank you for being
Feel
here.
free
Feel free
to
to ask questions or contribute any thoughts or ideas as we go along.
And
we're here for another 52 minutes. So thank you so much.
You're welcome. There's a real bad echo. I don't know if it's on my end or on your guys' end.
Sorry, could you say that one more time?
There is a bad echo on my end or on your guys, on yours or Andrew's end. I don't know which one it is because both of you were echoing when you were talking to me.
Okay, how about now?
Lot better, lot better.
Okay, cool. So just to summarize what I was saying, we test. First of all, thank you for being here. And we test every week on justforheroes.app. That's our testing environment. So
Okay.
if you can go there and create a new profile with the beginning of your name, whatever role you choose. I'm going to choose villain because we test every role. So if you could choose hero and creator, if you could choose client, that'd be great. But if you could make sure that your name starts with the prefix of test in brackets, so that we know it's a test profile. And this is how every week we've been testing new functionalities for the app. So this is always super helpful when our community comes and joins us on these tests. So thank you again for being here.
You're welcome. Can you both see me real good?
We can see your icon, but your sound is great.
Why my hold on. Why my camera not on? That's what I can't understand.
It's okay. In a worst case scenario, you can always send us a screenshot if there's something that you need to show us that's wrong on your that's not performing properly on your side.
Yeah, I see my icon up here too. Let's see. Oh, start video. Okay. Now, there we go.
All right.
It was on my end.
Good to see
Now
you.
you see me.
So yeah, if there's ever any issue, we normally send screenshots, and Andre's got a whole protocol for that. So yeah, we're just jumping in and creating characters. I think creator is working right now, but he's listening. So Andre, do you want to do a hero? I'll do client. Okay, so I'm gonna do client. Or how about you do a hero?
I'll do a hero.
And hold on. How about you do a villain? I'll do a client, and
I'll do the hero.
you'll do the hero. Thank you. Awesome.
Or I'll be the hero.
Okay, jumping in.
Remember, all these tests are done on justforheroes.app.
I have to turn my volume up so I can hear you. I had it down low.
Oh, she was just saying to please just remember that it's justforheroes.app. That's the testing
We have
environment.
a bunch of domains. Each of them are purposed for a certain goal that we have. So for the test for this Wednesday, just for heroes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry if I sound too my voice sounds too deep. I just got over a cold. Not COVID. Thank God, not COVID.
Happy that you're healthy.
Yes. Oh, I want to tell you both something. And creator, this is for you too. Yesterday, I celebrated my 14th year anniversary since my kidney transplant.
Oh, congratulations. That's great.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's wonderful.
And the doc, my kidney specialist down in Morgantown, West Virginia, told me when I was down there the last time, since my kidney, I'm doing so good, listening to what they have to tell me to do and stuff, to keep it healthy and keep me healthy, that this AV fistula, it's in my arm right here. You can't see it with my armor on or my uniform, but right here, let me take those gloves off. Right here, see that lump?
Yeah.
That is an AV fistula. Hey, Sensei. Nice to meet you, brother.
Klaus, thanks for joining us.
Once I
turn the mic on. How's it going?
doing good.
Yeah.
Claus, go up to your window up there on top and click on it, and it'll say start video. And click on it, and your video will come on.
Oh yeah, I just had that off because I tend to sit a bit low. You see the
Yeah.
top of my head, but I can stand up.
We still can't see it. It just says your name right now.
Yeah, I know Zoom.
Oh, okay. No
No,
problem.
I had it off because I sit kind of low, so you see the top of my head, but I'm standing up. Just a sec.
Oh, you're good.
It's helpful.
That's all right.
Well, good to know, and happy anniversary, and we're so grateful to have you and also joining the community and joining the test team. Sensei, good to see you. Creator is he's communicating. He just told me that he RSVP'd already to the hero meetup on Saturday. More about that Jen can tell you, or you can come on Saturday.
Oh, it's next Saturday.
Next
The 18th. It's the 18th.
Yeah.
We're just testing now. We're starting with testing the functionality of seeing this announcement in the app and being able to RSVP to it from the app. This is the first task.
All right. Yes. Photo too. Before I forget. Now that I have memory on my phone.
All right. What do you need to know?
We usually go and we check.
I'm gonna mute, and so you can come. There we go.
So how the test, usually, me and Jen are in the same room, so there's not the echo anymore. We're just sitting across from each other.
Yeah, I know.
Co-working. We test if the functionality exists on all the devices of the people that are joining. Then we acknowledge if that's true. Then we test if the functionality works as expected. Then if the community has any feedback, we listen and we discuss together. And then we conclude if it needs more work, if it can go to the live app. So these are simple. I just want to start because this is the first time for you. And also these are updates made in the app, so it's great. So we first tested this announcement. Creator already was able to RSVP from the app. I want to know if this works for you too, and then we're gonna go to the next. We're gonna swipe and we're gonna go to the next one, which is the functionality for requesting a development call with Jen. And when you click on it, you receive a message that there is a prerequisite list for requesting a development call. So we're testing that flow. But first, let's stay focused on the announcement for the Hero Meetup. And then the second one is the development call request.
Okay.
Any questions?
Just go for whatever you need to do. Like you said, I'm new to this. I've never done this before.
We're happy you're here. Any questions, please feel free to ask.
Okay. So what do you need to know?
Excuse me?
What do you need to know from me?
So I need to know if after if you created successfully the new user, the new profile, if on the world page, what do you see the first image in the carousel?
Let me go to it because I'm on a computer well, not like you and Jan is. I'm on a desktop. I'm not on a phone.
We're focused on mobile first, but the desktop should behave similar with a few modifications for the UI. So whatever is easier for you.
UI being user interface.
All right, let me open that up.
Klaus, if you're a hero, if you could create a hero and you're on mobile, that'd be super helpful, please.
I did, yeah. It's another test SC September 8th, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. So I tried the RSVP and I'm gonna check the email to confirm it.
Okay.
What is the website again?
Justforheroes.app.
Okay.
It's the web address, to be more precise.
And this is only open on Wednesdays. It's kind of a special environment. Okay, invite worked.
Okay. I'm taking notes. So. We're starting with the warm up with a few easier tasks, but all are important. So.
Okay, this is interesting. So I tried RSVPing to the second banner, Meetup 20, which is in the past. It forwarded me to the new one, so I'm guessing that's the way it's supposed to work, right?
No, it's supposed to. Jen was just saying that we are supposed to remove those, or it's even better if it takes you to the RSVP for the latest event. But
That's exactly what it did.
Yeah, they shouldn't be there. So maybe in a
So you're gonna put
category with past events or something. Current events and past events. We'll figure something out.
All right,
that
just
could be
click
cool.
Just click on action.
Yes.
I'm on the, okay.
Go ahead, we're listening.
I'm Armored Knight, the Angelic Crusader. I'm a real life superhero.
So question. What's the next task after
The development call updates.
development call? Okay.
Mhm.
All right, let me get back here. I forgot what the second part said.
All right.
I will be a hero. Become one.
So quick sidebar. You know how a lot of these meetings get recorded, right?
All of our meetings are recorded, yes.
Yeah, so if you had something for past events, what if it connected you to a recording?
Yeah, that's,
All right, do I click on where it says open video file? Because when I clicked on action, that's what it gave me.
You can skip that or upload it, whatever you prefer right now.
All right. Yeah.
for the test purposes, we're just using some random content, but you can also, if you want to save some
Well,
content.
what this shows is my video with all of us as a team on the Omega Alliance initiative, the team that I came up with
It's great.
is the video.
Okay, and I don't need to tell you this, but just saying to say it, make
Okay.
sure that you have it backed up on your phone, somewhere more secure. Because this is test data, so it might stay or go, you know?
Just to,
So
Alright.
if it's
just to
important, always
clarify,
make sure you have. Yep.
if you press upload, everything gets saved to the server as
Okay.
so. But if you want to make sure that you keep it to yourself, and you just save it as well on your phone and then upload it.
Oh, no, he already has it. I'm just saying anything that's uploaded as test purposes shouldn't be considered like a primary source, you know?
I know.
Everything should be secured, is what I'm telling them.
Yeah, and everything gets to the server right away.
All right, my name is Armor Knight, the Angelic Crusader. Why I'm a hero for hire is because I get the job done. When there is someone, it's a home, when someone in need of food or the essentials or clothing or sleeping bag, pillow or blankets, I will be there to me and my team will be there to do the job that is required of us. Did I do something wrong?
No, it's just, it sounds like you're making a full profile, and this is testing. So it's not that you did it wrong, it's just right now for test purposes, we usually make disposable profiles.
Well, I'm just doing what I was just doing what the two rules is like.
Exactly.
And then,
No, I'm not saying there's something wrong, it's just you're making a real profile, it sounds like.
okay, what clue me in here? What am I?
Yeah, so for Wednesdays, it's about testing. So we usually make disposable profiles that we can give or take, lose, doesn't matter. Because that's how testing works, is things don't always go as expected. So I'm not saying did something wrong, because if you made a real profile, we can, treat it like a real profile. I've got one too. But for Wednesdays, I usually just make it something stupid like test, then the date. Like mine for today is test September 8th, you know?
Yeah.
So you're not doing anything wrong. I'm just saying that's how we usually do Wednesdays.
What happened? I don't want to leave the meeting. You guys
Okay.
sit there. All right, something happened here. It says join the meeting.
That's probably a Zoom thing. I don't think that's us.
Oh, okay, I see. I see where you're at.
Yeah, can you see this banner on your phone or on the desktop where you're testing the app? Can you see this banner?
Hold on. Let me get back where I can see. All right.
Oh, wait, you need to start with the.
Let me see. Let me see that banner again. Please.
Armor Knight is still creating. He was creating his profile, so he didn't.
Can I see your phone again? You got up, please.
Oh, Armor Knight, you don't even need to, give me for a second. You don't even need to make a video right now. Like, we're only doing we're actually testing functionality of the app and not actually making full profiles. So you can just log in, you can say upload later, you can name it anything you want, as long as you test the test the actual function. So Andra's got a specific function, list of functions that we need to test within the next 32 minutes. And we just finished 2 of them. And I just sent you a challenge that's still there from the from multiple backs. I'm getting multiple messages for pressing it once. So yeah, you can just press upload later, and then it'll skip that part of the onboarding process.
Okay, hold on.
I think he already uploaded something though. So the good thing is he still has it on his phone, so it's
Yeah,
secure.
it's on my phone. It's my
Okay,
desktop.
next we're gonna start with, if we're good, we're gonna start with the
Yeah.
ally and rival. Does everyone have the profile created?
Not yet.
Okay, let us know when you do have the profile created. So now we can ally and rival each other on the app. Only heroes and villains. If you're a client, you cannot. You will receive a notification, a message saying that you only heroes and villains can perform this operation. We're gonna start with the ally. You can ally someone from their profile when you go on the list, or you can or from the list of suggestions, and from the profile as well. So let's just see how easy it is to find this functionality first. What was can everyone post in the chat what were the test accounts that were created?
Hold on.
I think the top 3, if you go to cast, there's mine on the left, Jan's in the middle, and yours on the right. Creators, I don't see.
Sorry.
Aren't I supposed to be pulled right to the bottom of the chat when I have
Yes.
happened several times? I just noticed, just became conscious of it.
Which one?
That I was pulled.
Sorry about the call.
Not this, the bottom. Can I see?
I'm should be pulled to the bottom of the most recent post in the chat,
Mhm.
but instead I'm.
Is it
coming-
more? Is it more than the actual?
I'm just showing you where I'm coming.
Are we talking about DM or chat?
Chat,
Cast chat.
cast chat.
Can everyone post in the chat, please, the list, the new username that you're using for this test in particular? Thank you.
I'm writing them down. Hey, yours is Delandra, right, for today?
Sorry about that.
No worries.
Hello.
Well, it kind of posts automatically, doesn't it? Says, hey, say hi. Because you just need it to know there.
Mhm.
So I put them in chat. I think that's right. I didn't see creators though. Unless it's who that boy, I don't know.
Okay. No. That one doesn't have the prefix test, so it's an actual user. Okay.
Yeah, I don't see his then.
So these are the accounts that we're gonna use for this test. Let's ally and rival each other. We're gonna start with ally. I'm gonna.
Still trying to make my profile here. And it's not showing me.
Let us know when you're ready. When you're ready, just post it in the chat and let us know what difficulties you have encountered.
And if you want to get in touch after, I can give you my info, just in case. because there's some stuff that's intuitive, some stuff that isn't for this. Okay, so Jan's account looks like a client, so can't rival that.
Yes. Does it show in the suggestions?
No, it's good.
Okay,
I can message it, but that's all.
okay. Okay, now,
Here we go. I got it. Let's go back up. All I had to do is just look down to the bottom. I'm back on the site.
Okay. Yeah, the browser experience is still in progress, you know?
Says shoot a profile video.
Don't worry about that for
you can
now.
press and upload later.
Okay. Upload later. Okay.
Yeah, that's something to do for your real profile. This is just a Wednesday test session profile, you know? Doesn't really matter.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, so Sensei, let's ally each other.
Okay.
And
You wanna
then
go first or
then
same time?
I will ally you. I will ally you and see.
Okay, I'm on your profile. Let me get back to mine or just leave it there?
Excuse me?
I'm on your profile. You want me to go back to mine or just leave it on yours?
No. Do you see the option to ally or rival?
I do, but you said you were gonna go, so I'm not gonna do it.
Okay. Let's ally each other and then see if Jen can see that relationship and if he can alter it, which should not be the case. Okay, so
Hello?
I'm going into your test SC September 8th, and
Yes.
I'm allying you.
Yep.
My birthday is January 23rd, 1968. It's only showing me July, August, and September.
Did you get the notification, Sensei?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
I'm trying to refresh just in case, but yeah, nothing.
Okay, let's go from I'll go from the profile from the list of allies. Okay, how about now?
Okay, here we go. Yeah, I have. It says an ally. I didn't get the superscript. Just
You're not getting the superscript for the ally. You're only getting it for the ally is a
rivals?
straightforward relationship. Once I initiate it, it's getting approved.
I can see it.
You can.
Okay, so that's working then.
Okay, not even if you go on his
I'm
profile.
going to try that now. Wait for it to load.
For my hero name, I just have to put test before it in parentheses.
Brackets.
Brackets. Okay.
Yeah. So here's something weird. I went to my allies list and it shows the name of my account, not the name of your account.
Okay. Okay, I'll make a note of that. Let me see if in my list it appears the same. No, in my list it appears correctly.
Okay, that's interesting.
So
Okay, good.
for the, okay,
All right. All right. For the real birthday, my birthday, what do I put?
any random date on the
Okay.
on that calendar.
I
All
like
right.
April Fools.
Okay.
Okay, so that's one thing. It shows on your profile. Okay, can you go now to my profile? Go to my profile and try to rival. It should tell you that first, you should ask you if you want to change your relationship from ally to rival. Does it do that?
I'm still loading your profile.
Yeah, I don't know. The server is very, very slow lately.
I've got it. Okay. So I'm going to hit rival, and that's the first test.
Yes.
Do I click agree and finish?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Did I have to read that one above, the paragraph above? Where it says stop?
You can if you want to, but it doesn't really matter for today.
Okay.
Did he create his own profile on the app? This is a good thing.
No one just for hire. I did. It won't let me do this. It says the email address is already for another account.
Yeah, you just need to use a test email, not to your email, because your email is already registered.
Sure, yeah, we should have said that. Make up the email too.
Well, I have to go back.
So, Sensei, did you get the pop-up saying, do you want to change the relationship from ally to rival?
No, I just got would you like to rival?
Also important note that Sensei's ally is himself.
Yeah, that's what we were talking about
And
before.
it's only showing on yeah. It only shows on mine. Okay.
Now you guys are going to test rival, right?
Yes.
All right, I'm here.
Okay. So we're testing the rival function. I'll have a quick look for your account, see if you showed up in the cast.
I'm showing the pictures
Okay.
I'm seeing. The pictures I'm seeing is Bruce Lee with the nunchucks, the girl in the middle, and
You can only press on the hero names that have text for today.
well, these are the pictures I'm seeing for the September the 18th at 2 p.m.
Yeah, that's great. It's awesome. Yeah, that
And the
was the
top
first
three.
test. Yeah, and you can RSVP to it. Sensei, if you're on my profile, if you would like to rival, can you press on OK and see if it changes?
Yeah.
All right, what do I do now?
So the next one is going to the test users that you see on the list and try to ally or rival them. Did you press on rival, Sensei?
I did. It doesn't have any effect.
Where do all these new heroes come from? This popped up. There's a bunch of them.
There's only the no, something's happening.
Retro Cop, Shadow.
No, you know about it.
You know.
I'm able to rival an ally.
Okay.
Okay, so I pressed on rival and it showed me pending withdraw. Can you go on your profile now, Sensei, and see if it shows that you have to approve or confirm on the test one?
Hold on, let me see something.
Hey, creator. Yeah, what's up?
That part works.
That part works, so it shows.
Yes, so I went to my profile, got the superscript, clicked on it, and I have approve reject.
Awesome. Good. One more thing that works. Okay, can you approve it? So I won't do anything on my side. just approve it and see, hey, I'll see, yeah, and it changed immediately into rival.
Yep, and I have the remove
I'm able-
option. So
Can you go again?
I'm able to ally.
Profile on his to see if you can see the relationship.
All right, Claus, I'm going to try to rival you.
I'm able to ally, and I didn't do rival yet.
okay.
Okay, great.
Yeah, nothing.
I can't rival.
Okay.
No, you're on a hero account, right?
Yeah,
For me?
Knight.
yeah, I'm on a hero account. It won't say, it don't do anything when I say rival, when I click OK. After clicking rival.
Your account's the one that's test in parentheses, right?
Yeah,
I'm gonna have a look.
all right,
Yeah, so I'm gonna try and rival you, see if it does anything.
okay.
Any notifications?
No.
Interesting.
So if you go here on the profile.
I can't rival you, Armored Knight.
I don't know what's going on.
Weird question. Could it be because he's using parentheses and not brackets? Would that make any difference with how it's set up?
No.
Okay, yeah, so not sure why that is then.
I can't, every time I try to click rival, it says I need permission to join.
Are you?
Oh, on your client?
Yeah, I'm a
Let me
client.
see if
No,
I,
no. I'm using my actual profile, like my actual, I didn't make a test profile.
I mean, it must mean that his profile is potentially locked the way the rest of them are, rather than a new profile.
What?
Yeah, I don't know.
let me ally. Let me try to ally.
Okay, I'm gonna
All right.
exiting to create a hero.
Okay. So you can see from client the ally, but you cannot see the rival.
Exactly.
Okay.
You
Do
got,
you want me to make the test profile?
Well, that's the purpose of the test sessions, not to alter your profile.
Oh, okay. Cause I didn't make them because I was at work, so I'm just like working through my actual.
I'm gonna
Profile
remove
right
you,
now.
Sensei.
Sorry, what?
Okay, man.
I'm gonna remove.
Okay.
So it disappeared from my list. Can you see if it disappeared from your profile? And it says
Looking-
that it doesn't say neither ally or rival in italics.
got it. It worked this time.
Okay, it worked from where? How did you get it to
Rival for Claus, for Sensei,
For my main account or the test account?
test account.
I don't see it. Let me
There's
refresh.
conversation thread.
Just
Just
want
want
everyone
everyone to know, my new test name
is
is
so,
so
much.
much justice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so Andra, your request is gone. Knight, I can't see yours.
probably I'm using the app how I
Says write a
make it,
message.
so this is a
Let
great
me see
app.
if I can write a message.
Which is your
I sent you a message, Sensei.
Like a DM?
Yeah. Says, hey, bro.
I don't see it. I'm gonna try and message you because I don't see it.
All right.
Are you guys trying to send a message?
It just is a side test.
Yeah.
It's not the main thing we're doing today.
Mr. G.
Hold on. Did you remove your rival?
Yeah.
Rivalry?
Yeah.
Oh. I was gonna test, I was gonna see if I could see it.
Hello, how are you?
Could anyone else see it?
Doing good. How you doing, Mr. G?
Yes, I mean, except for you, no one tested because creator.
Can you guys rival each other again so I could just check?
Okay, I'm gonna rival you again, Sensei.
Yep.
Um, it should appear as pending and confirm or pending withdraw, but you shouldn't see that.
Yeah, I've got approve, reject. We're good here.
Okay, can you approve or reject? Can you see it now?
I can't see anything yet on either of yours until, oh, did you just approve it?
Yep.
Okay, let me see, I see a 1. And I see nothing.
Okay. And it
All
disappeared.
right, Jen, I got yours. Says, hey, this is your first time JFH chat. Welcome. Important note. You'll
Okay.
see a character or out of character toggle.
I will.
To
write
cast.
it down. Done.
Okay, 1 second.
Yeah, it's on the bottom. Oh, out of character is best. Okay, I was in character. All right, now. Probably be able to see me now.
Hey, Knight, I sent you a request to rival. Did it get through?
By getting through, he means that you should see on a red dot at the bottom, and when you
Yeah.
click to meet, do you see the red dot at the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, can you go to that and it will take you to the profile, and you will see an upper script 1.
A little tiny 1 on the right side near the top of the word. Oh, I got 2. Oh, no, I got 1.
No,
I'm going to approve it.
All I see is my name, where it says test and hero 1587. Let
okay.
me go back.
I approved it, but I can't see either of your rival questions during
Okay.
mine.
So you.
Okay, so you don't have a couple of here, I'll show you.
So when I go on your.
This is what it looks like from my end.
So I
If you can see that, okay.
All right, hold on. Let me get back to where I can see.
Here and.
Yeah, so that
Yeah.
blue button
Yeah.
is what.
That's it. That's it.
It says rival. I can't see this.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's.
Yeah, so if you have that blue button, try clicking on that, yeah?
All right, let me get back to that.
Yeah, cheers.
No, it doesn't. It's not our talent.
No, all it says is update file.
And if you press. it,
skip
it doesn't
for
show
now.
you. Okay,
Okay, that's interesting.
and if you try to ally.
Says your
Oh,
says my profile says add a hero profile video or show the world show the world who you are.
But you don't have the 2 buttons.
No, you
That's
don't
it.
have buttons down. You know,
Maybe it
hero
made you a client.
or huh?
It might have
Maybe.
made you a client then. Let's have a look.
I don't want to be a
It's not
client.
the test account.
Yeah, no.
I know it's test.
Well, if he doesn't have the buttons, I don't know what else that would be, you know? So,
that's gonna go one.
Do I have
I-
to update my profile?
sorry?
Do I have to update my profile?
No, don't worry about this profile. It's disposable. It's not your real profile.
Okay.
We just have this to test stuff.
All right.
So it's definitely a
yes,
hero
yes,
profile.
Yes, I got it on the bottom. I see it.
Gonna do.
I didn't scroll down all the way.
Oh, you know, it's probably just a layout thing then. Because you're using a desktop, you have a bigger.
Okay, so
screen.
now it worked for mine. So I think there's a problem with the buttons.
I approve.
Oh, okay, yes. So then it should work. Okay, this is probably just a formatting thing then.
Yeah. I keep on changing it, so I think it's a problem how the.
That looks like it
All right.
worked.
I see the rivals on the side.
Remove it. And now we're neither allies or rivals.
Yeah, okay, so that worked.
The same thing.
Two on yours. I'm on yours.
All right, Andrew, I got you as a rival. I sent you one.
Shift it to them ally.
Okay, and can you check?
That's okay.
Yeah. How come? So
Well, if you've removed our relationship,
I
this is just
removed
a
it,
dead-
but I'm testing this. I'm testing the button. How come it works? Ally, okay.
Let me reload this page. So now it says 1. Now I'm gonna press. Would you like to change?
Sensei, I'm sending you a rival. See if you-
Yeah, but it doesn't. The
So-
button is not clickable
Well,
They're talking to each other. Let's
fine.
just test while they're doing that.
in the pop-up.
So you sent me a message, right? I'm gonna see if I can find that.
I sent you a rival.
No.
Okay.
No, that part worked. We're good on that.
So
Okay.
everything
Yeah.
is telling me it works. But when I reload the page, you still. So it seems to me that something's not communicating.
Yeah. Okay. I have one rival. Sensei. Rival.
That was me. I sent you a rival, Andrew.
Okay.
I'm going to approve your rivalry.
Okay. Look, it changed immediately on mine.
Since they already sent you one, so you should have got yours.
Oh yeah, I confirmed that.
Jan, you should already have yours. I think I sent you one too.
Oh, thank
Yours
you.
is under Justice Fire, ain't it?
I'll
Jan?
check it now. Okay, still can't see yours. So mine. I have a 1 rivals. So, Armin Knight, you're saying that you sent me a rivalry request?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I've changed my profile, just so you know, to test so much justice.
All right, let me get back to that. Let's see. Yep, I see. Oh,
Using the
Okay.
test that we're using the test accounts for Wednesdays.
yeah.
So much justice. It's just-
All right, there you go, Jan. Well, I sent myself one.
Oh, there we go. All right. Going to approve this. All right. And now I have 2 rivals, which is great. Checking out, thank you, Armor Knight. Gonna check out your profile to see if I can see our relationship. Still don't see it. It's not italicized, and I can't see our relationship.
Okay, so that remains the problem. Okay.
Let me see if I can change the relationship easily. for some reason.
Guys, Andrew, I gotta take off this mask.
We don't use the mask usually during the task sessions because we're coming like
Out
out of character. We should probably do some sessions in character with the app. That should be really
We should
fun.
totally do a character session, absolutely.
Then I'll have to look for my
Girls who go to-
girls who code. That's my my costume. But out of character for the task session, and
Okay.
then we're gonna announce when we're doing an in character.
Well, like I said, I'm all new to this right now.
You're the best one. I mean, we're all grateful for each and every one of you. The newest, the better, because that means that brings new perspective to this. We're doing this. I do this for at least 2 years. It's gonna be 2 years now. So Jen for more. So it's always good to have fresh eyes and fresh perspectives.
The Sensei's been here since like 2018.
I do have to tell you something. I did let all my real life superhero friends on Facebook put on their attention heroes. RSHs.
Awesome.
I said, I put the link for Justice for Hire. I said, you guys want to be in a movie? Here's the link.
Amazing, man. Thank you so much. I really, really deeply appreciate that. It's awesome.
Oh, it's no problem.
Okay, because we have 2 more minutes and I want to be mindful, I just want to make an inventory of what we've experienced today. We saw that from the list, the rivals work, we still have issues so we passed the creation of the relationship. Now when someone or us go to view the relationship, that still has hiccups. So that's the part that's still in the works.
Right.
But we've seen that it's working. And also there's an issue with changing the relationship from ally to rival. I suspect there's a problem with the button responsiveness. Sensei, if you want to help me test that further, that would be great.
Sure.
Yeah, and we have the announcement in the app, we have the development call, and yeah, I'll see you next week. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Good meeting you.
Great to
Good
meet
meeting
you.
everyone.
Bye.
See you soon. Thanks.
All right, well.